Hello everybody, welcome back to this year's Tropical Update for June 2nd. We're currently watching Tropical Storm Arlene, which has formed from Invest 91L, which became Tropical Depression 2, and now the second tropical storm of the season, Arlene. Even though it's the A storm, it is the second storm of the season, and that is because the first storm, as we mentioned earlier, was in fact unnamed. So that's just kind of how that works. As we can see here, Arlene, a little tiny cloud over the Gulf of Mexico, bringing a little bit of rain kind of associated with it, but not really, over southern Florida. And as a result of that, there is a low risk of impacts to there as well as portions of northern Cuba as well. According to the European Ensemble, well, only 2 tracks have this storm even existing. So that, in one respect, is somewhat interesting. As we can see here, the center of Arlene is displaced from the convection, or rather the convection is displaced from the center of Arlene due to that wind shear and dry air now beginning to affect the south side of the storm as well. And that will cause Arlene's end here soon as it makes its way moving south towards Cuba. An odd direction, but nonetheless it's a weak storm, not really a threat to land. Yeah, sure, a little bit of rain. Yeah, sure, maybe some tropical storm force wind gusts, but that's about it. It is a low-end tropical storm at this point, with Air Force Recon just identifying that it does have sustained tropical storm force winds. And so we'll continue to monitor that, but it is expected this storm has reached its peak strength and will continue to decrease in strength from here, and will dissipate before it makes its way towards Cuba. That's all for now. Chris Dixon, Info Weather Media.